Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Matic from Binance to Robinhood in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets smoothly between exchanges. Matic, now known as Polygon, is a popular token for fast and cheap transactions, and with the evolving crypto landscape by 2025, this process might have some updates. But don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Robinhood, and that you've enabled two-factor authentication for security. It's 2025, so expect enhanced features like biometric logins. Okay, let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Binance account and head to the Wallet section. Find your Matic balance, easy peasy. Next, select Withdraw and choose Matic as the asset. Now, here's a crucial part. Pick the right network. In 2025, Polygon might have even more optimized chains, so double-check it's set to the Polygon network to avoid any lost funds. Step 2. Enter the withdrawal address. You'll need to generate or use a compatible wallet address from Robinhood. Robinhood allows crypto deposits, but always verify their supported networks first to prevent errors. Copy the address carefully. Mistakes here can be costly. Step 3. Specify the amount you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so factor those in. In 2025, with advancements in blockchain tech, fees could be lower, but still, keep an eye on them. Once you're ready, confirm the withdrawal. This might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Step 4. Now, switch to your Robinhood app or website. Go to the Crypto tab and select Deposit. Paste the transaction ID or wait for the funds to show up. Robinhood's interface should be even more user-friendly by then, with real-time tracking. A quick tip: always use a secure connection and never share your private keys. Also, check for any regulatory changes in 2025 that might affect transfers between exchanges. Finally, once your Matic appears in Robinhood, you're all set. You can now trade or hold it as needed. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you in the next one.